Edgar Speer was built in 1980. She's 1,004 feet long, 105 feet wide, carries a cargo of 74,100 tons. And she is also downbound with a load of taconite, iron ore, and pellets. 28 feet of this vessel is underwater, and the channels are dredged to a minimum of 30 feet. And you can see the round symbol propeller in it, indicating she has a bow thruster. How would you like to be responsible for driving this thing? Just don't hit the brakes and put it in park to get it stopped. Here, midships is what's called the Peninsula mark. It's for how much you can load in warm salt water, cold fresh water, etc., etc. The next main point of interest on our tour will be the Algoma Steel Plant on the Canadian side of the river. You're arriving there in about 15 minutes. We invite you to sit back and relax and enjoy the boat ride. If you care for refreshments from our snack bar, the snack bar is now open.